these trails in the middle are not really existent. They got overgrown. So we'll go warm-up loop up here to the top, and then we'll come down one way, probably come down this way first, then go up again, come down the other way, and then if we want to do more, we can. So it's that basic layout, and we'll be going up this center road first.
Generally about 2/3 of the way up that center road you need to do.
And I got video today.
Yeah, all right.
We're not going to find that much.
And remember to smile, you're on TV.
That's not pretty.
Yeah.
Make it look easy, Grant.
It's
All right. Making it look easy.
Slipped off it even.
Yeah.
Oh, very cool. And he had a chance to jump on the grass over at Big Vancouver on that other side of the fence. So.
What? Here I am videoing, and you guys are like me. Okay, all right. Woo, good job. Well, this is a pretty big tree, I would say.
I should try coming down there today.
And we've got a broken derailleur, and the chain broke and stuff, so a little repair action at the trailhead here.
This is a much better tool.
Expensive, those top beaks.
Well, get any hamburger up there?
Yeah, that's what they were thinking too. They're thinking it's feeding time.
It's just a helper here.
We got video of video here, huh?
Wow. Yeah. Whoa.
Job.
Make it look easy.
Little bucks and broncs on that thing was.
It is, isn't it?
We're rolling.
Come on, pedals.
Come on, pedal.
Pedal to the metal.
Doug now. No.
Whoa! Whoa, whoa.
One more time. Yeah, I think you. Nice, nice.
Good job.
That's what Johnny said. Just look ahead.
Just look ahead, huh?
Just a little bit more tired.
You got it, you got it. Oh, wow. That is getting slicker and slicker, isn't it?
I should.
There you go, Grant.
Hey, there's little boo. Kind of like the first rain of the season.
Oh, come on, look ahead, look ahead. Stop looking at the line.
I think there's snow and everything else.
Did you get that, Mark?
Damn. My elbow again.
I hate this particular.
Oh, I'm going to break the bike if I go any faster. Good one.
Went to.
Just missed the launch. I don't know why I run a 888 on the front of the other bike.
All right. Oh, that distracted me.
Yeah.
9 feet over there. Oh,
Yeah, why don't you just
that
try
time I
to-
was lined up, darn it.
There he goes. Now
pedals were not in a good alignment there.